Okay everyone, imagine waking up to the serenity of nature in a home that blends elegance with mobility. This tiny home on wheels redefines modern living with its curve, asymmetrical design, and architectural masterpiece in a compact form. Welcome to a one-of-a-kind home that combines elegance, functionality, and modern design all within a compact space. And this beautifully crafted home features a striking curve, asymmetrical ceiling, create a sense of openness while maintaining a cozy and inviting atmosphere. As we step inside, you will immediately notice the carefully curated color palette, crisp white walls that enhance the feeling of spaciousness, completed by sleek black accent that add a touch of sophistication. Every detail in this home is thoughtfully designed to make the most of the available space while maintaining a stylish and contemporary aesthetic. And the kitchen is compact yet highly functional, with a well-placed sink and stove. This space is perfect for preparing meals without feeling cramped. Ample counter space and cleverly designed storage ensure that everything has its place, and keeping the area clean and clutter-free. And soft natural lighting floods the kitchen, making it a bright and welcoming space to cook and gather. And just a few steps away, you will find a cozy bedroom area. The bed is positioned perfectly to maximize comfort while taking advantage of the home's unique sailing shape. Despite the shape, despite the small footprint, the space feels open and inviting, proving that tiny living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. And moving to the sitting area, this tiny home features a comfortable sofa, ideal for relaxing or entertaining guests. Right next to it, a beautifully designed dining table creates a perfect spot to enjoy meals, work remotely, or simply take in the surroundings. And the combination of soft texture and bold black accents add a modern yet cozy vibe to the space. And attention to the detail is what makes this tiny home truly special. Floating shelves provide additional storage without overwhelming the space, while a touch of greenery brings warmth and life into the room. And this subtle addition enhances the overall ambience and making the home feel more welcoming and live in. And with its intelligent design, elegant finishing, and thoughtful use of space, this tiny home is a perfect example of how modern living can be both luxurious and minimalistic. And whether you are looking for a full-time residence or a stylish retreat, this home proves that great design can come in a small package. And what do you think of this unique tiny home? And could could you see yourself living here? Okay, please discuss in the comment below. And this is a beautiful design of modern elegance meets smart functionality with its curved asymmetrical ceiling also, and its striking white and black color scheme. And this home is really one of kind, but what it's make even more impressive is how every inch of space has utilized to create a comfortable and stylish living environment. And as soon as you step inside, you get greeted by the open, inviting space, and the curved ceiling adds the unique architectural touch and making the home feel more expansive while enhancing its modern aesthetic. And the combination of natural light and carefully chosen lighting fixture ensure that the space remains bright and welcoming throughout the day. And the kitchen is thoughtfully designed to maximize both style and functionality, and sleek of countertop provides ample space for meal prep, and while the modern sink and stove making coffee effortless. And the storage cabinet blends seamlessly into the design, offering plenty of space to keep essential organized without cluttering the area. And just a few steps away, you will find the cozy living and dining area, and the plush sofa created the perfect spot to relax, read a book, or enjoy a cup of coffee. Meanwhile, the dining table is beautifully positioned to double as a workspace or a place to share meals with friends and family. And the black accents throughout the furniture and a sophisticated contrast to the bright, airy interior. And one of the most impressive features of this home is the cleverly designed staircase. And you can see about the staircase leading up to the loft bed. And each step doubles as a cabinet, providing hidden storage for clothes, book, or household essential. This multifunctional design is a perfect example of how tiny living doesn't mean compromising on convenience. And the loft bedroom is peaceful retreat elevated above the main living space to create a sense of privacy. And the curved ceiling continues here and adding a unique and stylish touch while making the space feel larger than it actually is. And despite being compact, the loft offers enough room for a comfortable bed, making it a cozy, restful sleeping area. And every detail in this tiny home has been carefully considered to enhance both aesthetic and functionality again. And from the modern kitchen to the smart storage solution and the cozy loft bedroom, this space proves the great design can transform even the smallest of home into a luxurious and comfortable sanctuary. And so, what do you think about this alternative design of this tiny home with a loft bed better than before? Please write in the comment below, and we can discuss it. Okay, we can see about the bathroom, and as soon as you step inside, you will notice how bright and inviting the space is. The combination of natural light from the small window and strategically placed artificial lighting ensure that the bathroom feels open and fresh at all times. And the curved ceiling not only adds a unique architectural touch, but also enhances the sense of space, making the room feel much larger than it actually is. And the sink area is both stylish and practical, and a well-sized wide basin sits atop of sleek vanity and offering enough counter space for daily essential. Above it, a minimalist mirror reflects light, making the room feel even more spacious, and the black accents around the mirror and faucet add a bold contrast, enhancing the bathroom elegant and modern look. And next we have the shower cabin, a space designed for both comfort and efficiency. And the glass enclosure keeps the area feeling open while preventing water from splashing onto other surface. And with a modern shower head and a streamlined design, the shower provides a spa-like experience within the compact space of a tiny home. And the toilet is positioned to maximize space without compromising on comfort, with a sleek modern design, and it blends perfectly into the bathroom aesthetic and practically meets style in every aspect of the space, ensuring that even the most essential element contribute to the home's overall sophistication. And good ventilation is the key in any bathroom, and this tiny home ensures fresh air flow with both an exhaust fan and a small window. This feature work together to keep the space dry and odor-free, making it a pleasant and refreshing environment. And every detail in this bathroom has been carefully considered, from the curved ceiling that enhance the feeling of the space to the well-lit and modern fixture that both beauty and functionality. This design proves that even in a tiny home, you can enjoy a bathroom that is elegant, efficient, and comfortable. Okay, so what do you think about this bathroom? Okay guys, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I presented just now is only focused on the theme of material and color composition, and this doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. And however, this is a design inspiration that I present with a hope of being able to give you all useful ideas and inspiration. Okay, so what do you think about this unique tiny home? Could you see yourself living here? Okay, let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more incredible tiny home tours. Okay, and thank you for watching until the end guys, and please wait for my next content in this channel. Have a good day.